Hi, this is Max from Arbitrage Hero, and in this short video I'm going to talk about setting up your first goal. I believe that you have heard many times that people should set up goals, because without goals you are moving into unknown direction, and if you don't have any goal, it is very difficult to measure your results. When setting up goals, those should be specific, or in my case, I believe that those should be not just specific, but specific and simple. You should be able to measure your goals to see the progress. Goals should be attainable, relevant, and timely. You need to set specific time when you want to achieve that goal. In my case, for this training, I want you to see your first sales within 30 days. I encourage you to set some simple goals. Let's say that you want to see sales worth of $100 in 30 days or £100 in 30 days. Once you have achieved it, you will feel success, and it will motivate you and it will drive you to more success. So please set up a goal after this video, and I will see you in the next one. This was Max from Arbitrage Hero, and thank you for watching.